Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. License, a data source like SharePoint or Outlook, and approver emails. Next, create a new automated cloud flow and pick a trigger such as when an item is created. This begins the process. Then add the start and wait for an approval action and configure the approval type, title, and details so approvers know what to review. Once done, make sure outputs map to your item fields. This maps responses back into later steps. Now parse the approval outputs using dynamic content, responder, outcome, and comments. Use a condition action. If outcome equals approve, then continue with the success branch. Otherwise, route to the rejection branch and notify the requester. In the approve branch, update the item status, send confirmation emails, and create an audit log entry. Make sure to set retry policies for external actions and to include timeout handling so the flow remains reliable when an approver is slow or unavailable. Finish by saving and testing the flow with sample items, verifying that approvals update statuses and notifications arrive. Once done, inspect the run history to review inputs and outputs for each action. This shows exactly where failures occur. If you need parallel approvers or escalation, add those actions and adjust timeouts and retry policies. Make sure to assign owners for maintenance. If something goes wrong, use the run history details and the approval action outputs to pinpoint the error and rerun with corrected inputs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.